So sometimes what you may do is you may go ahead and create a layout with some text area. Let's say, for example, I have this text area right here, and I have another text area right here. And let's say I'm just going to go around and say search for stock images, and let's just go ahead and add in image right here. Let's just go ahead and bring this in right here and resize it. So let's just go ahead right here. You can see that it is quite large. Let's just go ahead and resize it, place it right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring this in. This is large, and I'm going to go ahead and resize this out as well. So what you may want to do right here in the place where you have the text is you may want to go ahead and add in a filler text, unless you have a real text, to get the feel of how it would actually look if you add in the text right here. So for that, as you select the text frame, you can simply go to the text menu right here. And then what you can do is go to Insert and choose Insert Filler Text right here. So you can see that I have the cursor right here. So let's just go to Text, Insert, Insert Filler Text. And you can see filler text is inserted right here. Similarly, you can go around over here and then go to Text right here, Insert Filler Text. And then you can see this is what you have. You can change it out right here as, let's say, for example, paragraph right here. So you can go ahead and select this out right here as you want. So let's just go ahead and then expand this right here. And you can see that you can go ahead and then edit it out as per how you want. So you can go around over here and change it out as you wish. You can go around over here, expand this out, and you can see that this is basically a filler text right here with multiple paragraphs that you can go ahead and change out as per how you want. So you can go ahead and expand this and see, like, let's say, for example, how this layout would actually look if you just kept it this way. So this is basically how you can go ahead and add in filler text. You can change the font size right here, make it smaller, larger, and apply any other text effect to the text as you want right here. You can go ahead and bold it, italicize it right here, as you can see. So that is basically how you can go ahead and add in filler text inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.